Here's interesting new apps called ByBit, buy and trade crypto. Crypto spot and futures exchange. Welcome to ByBit, your gateway to the world of cryptocurrencies. Experience unparalleled trading opportunities, unmatched reliability, and continuous innovation. So explore cryptocurrency with ease, exciting features, and then there is Web3 wallet, and then there is asset management, copy trading, NFT marketplace. So yeah, pretty popular app. It doesn't have yet millions of ratings. It's not like huge like Coinbase, but it can be just some nice alternative. Uh, you can just see here what they already have, and then you can just open it up and see how it works, and then just create your account easily. And then you just proceed with your account with captcha, and then there you have it. Super fast to create an account, as you can see, and then you just need to verify. So 5 markets T. And then assets, and then you can just see some nice tutorials. So yeah, that's basically what it is. So just some alternative app if you're not happy, and then it can have some nice Web3 coins. So yeah. So there are some referral programs, so feel free to use my referral code 78NEPY and use my referral link here, and then you can also earn a mystery box, and then you can see what people earned recently. And yeah, invite friends to sign up at deposit 100 USDT to receive 10 USDT bonus each. Get reference to trade $500. Get referee to trade 10,000. Then yeah, so there you have it. Feel free to use my invite code, and yeah. So pretty cool app, and it's just appeared in the market, therefore it has a lot of nice perks, and some nice deals. So yeah, you can play